Okay, today we are continuing on subtracting integers. While I'm outside on the porch and it's starting to rain. All right. Is that a sign? Who knows? All right. 4 practice problems we need to work on here. If you'd like to pause the video, go ahead. You may. But I'm going to go straight into number 1. Number 1 says -5 minus 4. Okay. -5 minus 4. All right. We got 2 integers. One's a -5 and one's a -4. All right, so we have 2 integers, both are negative, so we have same signs, add, and keep. Keep the sign of the value you're adding. So -5 and -4 is -9. It's just like if it's a football team on the first play loses 5 yards, and the next play they lose 4 yards. From the line of scrimmage, they have lost 9 yards. Number 2. Yes, number 2 is pretty much a first grade problem. You've got but look, it's 5 minus 4 is 1, we know. But let's go with the rules that we have. Because I kid you not, I had people who make a 50 question, I give a 50 question test to, and they'll miss this question. I'm like, what? How'd you get all the rest of them right, and you miss this one? It's 5 minus 4. It's 1. We already know it's 1. We should know it's 1. Well, let's go with the rules. We have a +5 and we have a -4. Different signs. Subtract. Keep the sign of the higher value. The higher value is 5 and 5 is positive, so it's +1. Number 3. We have first of all, we got some work to do. Look at the problem. Do you see a double negative? Yes or no? Yes, Coach Caps, I see a double negative. Okay, so it's a double negative. So let's fix that double negative minus negative. Fix this, right? That's the first thing we do. Fix that. Make it a big old plus sign. Now we can go with a +5 and a +4. And they give us, that's same signs. Oh, that's both positive. So that's just 5 plus 4, which is 9. Number 4, do we or do we not have a double negative? Now this right here doesn't count. Double negatives had to be side by side with nothing in between. Number 1 up here, that's not double negative. Yes, that's 2 negatives, but they're not side by side. They have a 5 in between them. Number 3 and then now number 4 have 2 negative signs or 2 subtraction signs, however you want to say it. They are both side by side. So we had to fix that double negative. First, I have to fix that mess up I just did there. Yeah, we got to fix the double negative and make it a big old plus sign. So now what do we have? Oh, we have a -5 and we have a +4. So we have different signs, and we know different signs subtract, and we know keep the sign of the higher value, and the higher value is 5. So it's a negative beside it. So we're keeping that negative sign, and we are subtracting 5 and 4, and we'll get -1. See you next time.